Hey everyone, it's Angel Paws here, and oh my gosh, it's Thursday, so that means that Animal Jam is updating. So there's a new update today, and yeah, I'm really excited. So apparently, hyenas are back, so that's cool. And, yeah. Summer Carnival is here. Click on your party list or any of the signs around your mod to see all the games, prizes, and lots of summer fun. About to go to a land that's full and stuff. Play all the fun games at the Summer Carnival to earn tickets, then spend your tickets on tons of awesome. Okay, ooh, oh my gosh, I wished for this. I was like, oh my gosh, can we please have like an accessory preview? So yeah, did you know that you can now preview how items and accessories will look on the MLG before you buy them? Oh, there's a new Hearthstone. This already looks like a pig because of that tail. Okay, so let's try. Okay, I give up, but I know it's a pig because it looks like it. And polar bears are traveling. Okay, and my daily spin because I haven't been on it. That pig is tricky. Oh, I was so close. Okay, so let's go to an untold land. Like somewhere. Okay, so let's take a look at this thing. Preview thing. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest, because like I don't know what I'm going to expect. So opening in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. What? I don't like this at all. It's so different. I mean, it's really cool, yeah, but oh my gosh, this is so weird. That's actually really cute. I actually really like that. I like that blue actually. This is neat. This is actually really helpful because now I don't have to worry about like all that kind of stuff. And like you can zoom in. Oh, neat. Okay, this is pretty cool. I must say this is pretty cool. Yeah, this is a pretty cool update. I'm excited for pigs to come because, you know, but I mean, it's not that exciting. It's like exciting, but and then they changed the font again. They always do that. They always change the font. And I need to turn off the music. Well, yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And comment below if you're excited for this update. Bye! Okay, also a sneak peek at a new drawing.